First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to our beloved master. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. It's not opportunity, it is a wonderful opportunity. Very few and fortunate people will get this opportunity. So I came here like a newborn baby with zero knowledge on this Vastu. And being in a teaching profession, I am a very skeptical person. I don't accept anything so easily. First 2 days, at every point, my logical brain started questioning me, what is this? What is this? What is happening in this class like this? So after seeing the practicals, there is no other chance to believe. It was really amazed. All the logics broken up, and this is really amazing, sir. No words to express. The word occult means energy, magical power without logical reasoning and scientific evidence. But there is energy. So I came to see that energy. So I am really speechless to express my how I am feeling now. I am really feeling like some ancient rishi has taken rebirth again to solve all the Vastu problems. Thank you, sir. So much is I am feeling to speak so many things, but as time is getting delayed, we'll finish this. Thank you. Yes.